Hey Team Numis Canada, that's what I call my subscribers. Hello coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have a mail call from the Royal Canadian Mint and from Silvertowne. So we'll get into both of these right after this. Welcome back. So we have two packages here, and I'm going to set aside the Royal Canadian Mint package because it's an unusual package for the Mint, and let's get into this Silvertowne package. And I'm not sure, I guess we open this. Do I use scissors or do I use my knife? Let's try my knife. So that's empty. Let's toss that. We have some paper here. Oh, they wrapped it in the obligatory paperwork. That is even more environmentally friendly than even the Royal Canadian Mint does. So we'll get this out of the way because I don't want to reveal any information. But we have two lovely pieces of silver here. And let's get up close and personal with these. So I'm going to stand up so that I can make sure that it is focusing. And of course, this is Legendary Warriors. 3/9 fine silver, 1 ounce fine silver, and of course it is the Warriors implements on this side. And over here we have Eric Bloodaxe, and I just love the look of these. I know it's just silver bullion, and of course it didn't cost much over spot. I had to pay a PayPal fee too, but that is really nice looking silver. And of course the other one is the same Legendary Warrior 999 fine, and this one is Julius Caesar. So two beautifully done silver rounds from by whatever mint created these, but purchased from Silvertowne. So there's that side, and then of course we flip. How cool is that? How cool is that? And flip it. Now we'll get into the package from the Royal Canadian Mint. And I think I'm going to need my knife for this special box because this is unlike their usual boxes. I'm not sure what that code means there, but so I'll open this end. Let's see if this will let me in. Okay, I see how it goes. So there. So I think that the lid still lifts like other mint boxes. So make sure that is all broken there and broken here. So that is. Make sure it's broken here. And here we go. And we have And there's obligatory paperwork in the bottom here. I'll remove that. My goodness. My apologies for that. So that is an unusual box for the this set. And it is long. It is a matte black, or a matte purple actually. And it is a big box. And I believe it slides out like this. There you go. Oh. And it has a matte finish. It feels matte. Very nice packaging, I do believe. And of course, we go here. This is a lovely set. There's a book in here. Her 4 portraits. And we have a tribute to the life of Queen Elizabeth. Early in the years, while she was a princess, here and here. Her as an older princess, here and here. And that's her sister. Her marriage to Prince Philip. At home with her family, and there's that's Prince Charles and his sister. And this is a young Queen Elizabeth with Prince Charles is a young lad and his younger sister. And lots of reading here. This is a lovely, lovely set. And this is Queen Elizabeth when Nunavut was made a separate territory. Her tour of North Bay, Ontario. And Canada Day on Parliament Hill. The coins. There are 3 coins, and there is the young Princess Elizabeth with her father, and her father, the future King George VI. The reverse design by Canadian artist Neil Hamlin features Princess Elizabeth during Second World War as she joined the Women's Auxiliary Service. That's this one. Women's Auxiliary Territorial Service. And the third one here is the reverse design based on a photograph of Queen Elizabeth in Halifax, Nova Scotia during a Canadian Naval Centennial celebration in June 2010. And let me show you the coins. I'll put this away. And that is just a grand photograph of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth. She wearing her Canadian medals. She was truly an elegant woman. And here she is as Princess Elizabeth with her father, Prince. I'm not sure whether he was Prince George, but he was King George VI. And her 4 effigies and the rose, again representing her 4 images on Canadian coins. And that's Princess Elizabeth. The second one is Princess Elizabeth in the Navy, in the Armed Forces. And of course, these are just spectacular. I'm so glad that I got these. I wasn't exactly sure because the only one that I saw before I bought it was this coin. If you're as moved as I am so pleased. So this mail call, we had lots and lots of silver because those are silver as well. I'm going to get this knife out of the way before it falls on the floor. And I will put Julius Caesar and Eric Bloodaxe on this side because they're a little bit before her time. So let me know what you think of these lovely coins and this tribute to Queen Elizabeth II, or these Silvertowne silver rounds. So how cool is that? Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.